The history of this graveyard is so important, especially to local people, because this is where the people who surround this graveyard, this is where we all grew up. We walk through this graveyard to go to the park, or like me, I walk around this graveyard all the time. It is a beautiful graveyard. It has been designed to make you relax and to take you away from all your worries and things like that. And it actually works. We have everybody buried in this graveyard. We have the people who created Belfast in terms of the industry. Belfast was an industrial powerhouse and had many of the biggest industries in the world. And a lot of those people are buried in this graveyard. But so are actually the people who worked in those industries. Like the Millies, for example. 80,000 women worked in the mills here throughout the province of Ulster, and many of them would be buried in this graveyard. Many of them were our mummies and our grannies and our great grannies. Also, we have sports people, poets. We have education reformers. We have many different types of architecture here, many different crosses. So, for example, let's just look at the crosses here. We're going to stop and look at some of the crosses. There are 3 different crosses here in the graveyard. We have Celtic crosses and ornate and just plain crosses.